At Michael's Wholesale Flooring, we care about the quality of our service and value our customers' opinion. Check out this new positive review. These guys are the best in the business. My wife and I worked with David Weichman at Michael's in Greenville to direct us in deciding on an extensive flooring project at our home. In conclusion, David was professional and his knowledge of the building industry and flooring materials was at the highest of his profession, and his integrity is impeccable. He took the stress out of a decision that we have postponed for months. We couldn't be happier with the end result. Thank you, David. Seth Hook. Thank you, Seth, for leaving a positive review. We strive to provide the best service for our customers. To experience the same excellent service from Michael's Wholesale Flooring, contact us today.